Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain some of the modifying commands. Already explained in previous tutorial of the basic modifying commands. I will explain some of the best modifying commands. Using the rectangle command, I am drawing the one of the profile for explanation. Like this, I am using the rectangle also. I explained in my previous tutorial. Then I want to give the command of on the command line. You can observe all the operations what I am perform. Move command. I want to explain the move command. First we go on to the M enter and move the select objects like this and click on enter and select the object like this. You can move the anywhere you position, and the angles also you can change this by using the move option. And the copy, again I want to explain about the copy command. CO enter, this is the shortcut CO, and CO enter. After giving the CO enter, copy, simply select the object and drag like this by simply click on the enter and drag like this. See, I'm copying the one object in the different places on the screen. You can observe on the screen and performing all the operations like this. See, like this. You want to copy any object from the anywhere to the place to place changes. It varies also by using the copy and the move commands are very useful in Auto-Cad software. These are mainly these commands are very modifying commands are very useful. Next is I want to explain the stretch command. S center, the shortcut is S center on the command book. On the below you can observe by using the stretch option. On the top also the stretch is there. I will show you. See, this is the stretch option. The stretch objects crossed by a selection window, a polygon. Then the description also available on the top of the commands. And stretch the select objects and give the any of the displacement at the base point. I'm giving the base point like this. I'm stretching to the what you want my position. You want to give the ortho on the ortho, and it will go on the straight position. The stretch is on the straight. I want to give a line. Then I want to select the object. Then stretch the select object and select the line of the midpoint and stretch like this. Where from one place to how much distance you require, you give that distance and stretch like this. See, the stretch option is completed. Next I want to explain about the different command. I will explain the move and the copy and the stretch is completed. I'll explain the one of the basic command. See, this is the different types of methods you can observe on the screen. Different types of commands are available in Auto-Cad to develop any of the model. And the MI enter mirror, the mirror the object. See, in the description also available, and the meaning of the mirror command is also MI enter, and the one of the reference line is there. Like this, I am considering the one of the reference lines. We want to develop any of the mirror reference line is required, or the endpoints are also required to develop any of the mirror operation. And I want to give the mirror operation like this. By the trim option, I'm trimming all of the objects on the left side. I will show you how to give on the left side by using the right side view. By using simply go on to the command line and the MI enter mirror option and mirror the select object. I'm selecting all of the object and click on enter and specify the first point and second point. See, the mirror is completed. By using this option, mirror option, you can give any of the options to half of the part to the full part by using the mirror command. This is the mirror option. See, on the top also you can give the without the reference also you can give the mirror option by using simply the points are required. Again, I want to give the rectangle option for explanation purpose and select the line like this and the MI enter. Select the first point and end point. The mirror is completed. I want to give the one of the circle and draw the reference line. like this and my enter. The practice all the operations. You can develop any of the object in a fast without taking a long time to produce the objects or developing any of the objects. See, you can observe on the screen on the mirror operation. The definition of the mirror also is there on the top of the toolbars. These are the modifying commands.